Go with Missouri. Whew. It'll be 95 today. And it's like 10 o'clock. And it's already like 80 something. Doing a nature walk before we actually start school today, going down the hill. I used to go and fish over there. Go high where nobody can see you in camouflage. Cause you know black people, our skin's camouflage the best when we blend in with the trees. Like what, magnolia trees? Look like it, but ain't as big as the ones we used to see them. Some big banana spiders? Nope. I wouldn't be scared. All right, let's go in the shade at y'all. I'm starting to sweat. That's definitely a part of being in the woods. Spiders are everywhere. Big thick trees. Good camping spot.
Can I talk to you, please?
Looking big scary. First off, she crazy because she talking to the tree. Then she got scared. Oh, snap, Cherry. There's a bunch of slugs in there. Yeah. There might be a snake in there.
Well, get on out of there.
Here. Keep going. Emo got scared. Moses got the double staff. Got the double staff out here. Big thick tree here. Alright, we came out here a while ago. We found some wild grapes. And they were green before, them old muscadine grapes. And now they are purple. So we're gonna have to taste it and see what's going on. Just pull it down.
I'm about to bleed.
Hezekiah, show me your finger. No, seriously. They're purple now.
I can't pull down.
I want the grapes.
I got that hole. Let me pause my video. Come pull down. Brian, hold up, girl. Don't fall. Don't lean back.
I need a Band-Aid.
Come on, can you stand on my shoulder?
Oh,
Put your feet up. Put your feet up.
Don't drop my baby.
Can you reach up there? Reach higher.
Pull it.
Get it, Charlie. You getting it?
Yeah.
Get another one, girl. Hurry up. Get all of those. Get another one, Shamar. More?
She got a lot.
The purple ones. Not the green ones.
Is there any more? I know.
She took off.
All right, get ready to come down. We're going to skip a rock. That's not Hezekiah. Come sit down.
Let me show y'all how to skip a rock.
All right, we're going to watch this for a minute. Y'all, Hezekiah, don't throw any more rocks straight up. All right?
Fine.
She said she's going to teach us how to skip rocks,
The
y'all.
goal is to find flat rocks. You see how flat that is? That surface is flat. See, you don't want a rock like this. You want a flat one.
Turn it sideways for them to see.
Don't that look like the United South Carolina?
United South Carolina, yeah.
Yeah, South Carolina.
Y'all ain't heard that.
So that.
Like
Hold on, let me get that bird nest. You skip it?
It's a flat.
My bad, I missed it. That's a good one now. No, I missed it.
times.
My bad.
3 times, Shabba.
Great job.
So you gotta hold your hand like this. Like how you're in service and you're about to leave out in one moment. Hold it like that. And put the rock in it. And you throw it with some force.
All right, go show us how to do it now. Hezekiah, come here, buddy. Everybody back up. Let's watch Emo. Back up, back up. We want just her on the camera. We want to be able to see how good this thing skip. Back up, Shamari.
You have to do it with some force, okay? Okay. To flick it.
Come on.
Back up now.
Already.
Let's see it. Wherever you want. Go ahead. Shamari, back up.
That one didn't work. This right here was in the way. Let's do it again. Give me a rock.
Okay.
Why you getting her rock?
And you want a kind of a light rock. You don't want a heavy rock.
You're going to take her perfect rock.
I give her this rock.
Oh, no. She still got it. Okay. You going to do it, Zuri? Hold on. Let's wait and see Emo. Watch out, Shamari. Back up. Y'all back up. It looked like it skipped once, y'all.
Yeah, it skipped one.
Yeah, it skipped straight to the bottom. There you go, Emma. All right, y'all. She was just playing. We're going to show y'all how to really do it. You got to get, like she said, you want flat. A little bit of weight to them, not too light, not too heavy. Get some good ones. Now I got to get a couple practice throws, y'all.
Okay.
Y'all just wait, let's wait and see. Watch out, Shamari. Back up so you can see the things. Back up so you can see you do the one. Shamari. Back up, watch out, hold on.
Okay.
Y'all saw that? That's how you do it. 2 skips. That's good, good one. That's how you do it, y'all. I ain't gonna do it. I already knew it wasn't flat enough.
Mine's fly enough.
No, you go ahead. I want you to use that one.
I don't know how to skip rock. I'll do it.
All right, I'll do it. Let me hold it.
I just said it. You already got a rock.
Baby, glad I like you. Where's the woodpecker? It's a big one. Don't you leave. I see him. There you go. Hezekiah, wait, buddy. There you go. I killed one of those before, y'all. It tastes just like chicken. You remember I shot him out the back door at my dad's house?
It's up there flying.
You don't see it, Cherry?
He touched it.
Hezekiah, don't do that.
He touched it.
Stop.
Nah, be careful with Zuri, okay? Oh,
Why you?
there goes the woodpecker. What you got to say for yourself? Cole, you gotta watch towards Martin. She hit it. Oh. You hit it? I told you.
Oh, boss. Kelly, come get me. Okay, madam. Help me. Come on, lady. Now, how are we going to get back up?
Shamar, watch out for you hit your brother with that stick.
I'm going to take our shoes off.
No, don't take your shoes off, buddy.
Why?
We'll come back here another day and get in the water.
We're going to stick together.
Oh, you can keep that one.
Four.
I'll let them go. Yeah, I see. Good job. Yeah. I try not to hold back for certain things, you know. You want to pass him, Kill? You can pass him back up when you're done.
Go and get dirty now. Go on dirty yourself up. Outside with a perfume. Great job. You're gonna skip it. Oh, Clayton, you recording?
Mm-hmm. Nice. Say, Father, help me. Long live Shania. She fell too. Well, that's pretty good. You taking them with you?
That's not the question he asked.
All
He
right.
said, are you taking them? Great job, now. Come on, Hezekiah, your handsome self.
You coming up? Y'all come on so we can get ready to go. School has to get started at some point.
It's school.
It is school, but it ain't, you know. I definitely. Nah, hold on. Don't hit the rocks when they're down there, right? You climbing up, buddy? Nah.
Come on, bud.
No. You might hit me. Hit it back.
Hezekiah, watch out.
Come out this way, Hezekiah.
Where you throwing rocks?
Come on.
Y'all, come on. Climb up, buddy. You got it. Don't help him. He got it. Come on, buddy. You're a mountain climber. Help him get past that one part.
Move your foot and pick it up.
Come on, boy. Grab the rocks. Look, Hezekiah. You got to grab up here and grab and pull yourself up. Yep. Keep going. Just Kelly, keep your hand behind him. Yeah, hold his hand. Not that part. Hezekiah. I help you because I forgot you got that cut on your hand. Hey, reach my hand. Help him up, Kelly. Put him up this high. Ah, come on, Hezekiah. I got you. Oh no, I need your whole hand, boy.
Let's see this little adventure.
And she didn't want to let her rocks go.
Come on, Shamar, let me see you.
Shamaya, you gonna have to put those rocks down if you want to make it back to
Or
safety.
you can ask somebody to hold it.
Or you could throw the rocks up here.
No.
Yeah, she could throw it up here. Go ahead. Point. Back up, Hezekiah. Watch there. All right, y'all. Come on. My phone video is starting to run out.
Watch out, Hezekiah.
Back up, son. Come on.
Run. There you go.
Nobody tried to help me.
You too big. Come on, Kayla. Hezekiah, no, wait.
Look at me showing off right here. Just could do it, huh?
Left, your left, right, oh left, right, left, your left, pick it up, your left. Your left, pick it up, your left. Your left, right, oh left. Your left, yeah, right, oh left. Hold on. Mark time, march. Group, halt. Gotta wait, y'all. Gotta wait. They're running to try and catch up. Come on, hurry up. Group D. Keep going. Group, attention. Forward, march. Left, right, left. You see, gotta remember. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. How'd it go? Oh, here we go. We go again. We're moving out. We're moving in. Oh, here we go. We go again. We're moving out. We're moving in. There's a hole. There's a hole. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a log in the hole. There's a log in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a branch on the log. There's a branch on the log in the log.